What if I told you that everything happening right now has happened exactly before and will happen again? This isn't some ancient philosophical idea or a recurring dream. It's actually a fascinating mathematical and physical truth known as Poincaré Recurrence Theorem. This theory makes us wonder, is the universe itself just a giant loop? And can physics' most unyielding law, the law of entropy or disorder, actually be broken? Get ready for a short, intense mental journey. Let's start with the basics. Poincaré developed his theory for dynamical systems. To understand it, you need two fundamental conditions. The first is that the system must be bounded, meaning all particles or energy must be confined within a specific space and cannot escape. The second is that the system must be conservative of energy, meaning it's a closed system that doesn't lose or gain energy from the outside. Poincaré said, any system that meets these two conditions, its trajectory will eventually intersect with itself. In simpler terms, the system will return very close to its initial state. Now, let's illustrate this with the biggest challenge, the law of entropy disorder. Imagine you place a fresh, yellow banana inside a completely sealed and isolated box. What will happen over time? We know the banana will decompose, rot, and eventually turn into gases and dispersed organic matter. This is an increase in entropy, a transition from order to randomness. But Poincaré asserts, despite the decomposition, there's a mathematically certain probability that all the particles making up the banana will spontaneously arrange themselves into a state very close to their original configuration, meaning the fresh banana will spontaneously reappear. But always remember, this recurrence is only mathematically possible. The waiting time for this spontaneous reordering of the banana is a number billions of times longer than the known age of the universe. This is why we never see a rotten banana return to its original form. So, why does this theory matter to us? Firstly, the entropy debate. The theory sparked debate among physicists because it shows that the law of entropy is probabilistic, not absolute. Recurrence is possible, but the probability of it happening is virtually zero. Secondly, chaos theory. Poincaré discovered this theorem while trying to solve a mathematical problem. This discovery laid the foundation for modern chaos theory, which helps explain complex weather systems and planetary motion. Thirdly, the universe as a whole. Applying this theory to the entire universe implies that the cosmos, being a bounded system, according to some theories, might eventually return to its initial state. Another Big Bang, exactly like the first one, could happen again. Poincaré recurrence is an incredible reminder that our experience of time might just be a tiny part of a massive cosmic cycle. Do you think the entire universe will recur? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more mind-bending theories.